shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. About your love drives a man insane. You broke my will, but what a thrill. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a bike check on my 2017 Verde Neyer Pro. I got it on Dance Comp, so let's get into it. Let's start with here. Let me bring it out in the sun. I'll just lay it on the ground. Okay, here. We're gonna do top from bottom. So we're gonna start with these Duo Hoffman grips with Duo Purple, Duo Resilient bar ends. Just, I don't know, regular old brake lever, 2-finger. Kink BMX linear cable. The Primo something or other V2 stem. We got Verde Neyer Pro bars. Tony Neyer Pro, so they go with the frame. Forks, Verde, Tony Neyer Pro, I think, or Regent, I'm not sure. And then obviously the Neyer frame. And we got Primo Neyer sprocket, 28 tooth cranks, Verde Regent, they're tubular cranks. And then Duo Resilient pedals. And then like MK chain, I think. Yeah, it's a half-link chain. Mission valve caps. Cinema 777S single wall ram. And the front's the same, but it's a double wall. And these are WLT Primo tires. They're the Verde Neyer edition. 2.3 inches front and rear. And the brake is like a U-brake. It's like R-Tech. It's some off-brand. It works though. And then here we got this seat. It's Verde Timber, I believe. Pivotal seat. And then the Duo Resilient seat post. And I think I got all that. The hubs. The back one is the Verde Regent hub. 9-tooth driver and a 28-tooth sprocket. That's about it. The front's a female axle, Verde Regent. 14mm in the back, 3/8 in the front. So, thanks for watching. That's my bike, and I thought it would be cool to do a bike check. It was probably pretty boring for a lot of you, but thanks for watching. See you in the next video.